First of all, very good evening to all of you. H1 performance, Durgapur steel plant, you must have seen 100% blast furnace hot metal, 100% crude steel and almost 100% sellable steel. First of all, huge round of applause for the collective of Durgapur steel plant. I think all steel plants mein Durgapur plant performance was the best, more than 100% performance, around 101% performance in all the three areas. It was a dedicated effort of whole collective of the plant, including works, then non-works, finance, projects, medical, personal, everyone has contributed, that's why it has happened. But one concern area. As per our ABP, we have done finished 80,000, 84,000 precisely less than the ABP target, where MSN has done 75,000 less than the ABP target in H1 itself. So overall, in H1, whatever our ABP was there, we have done around 84,000 less, and semis we have produced around 90,000 more than the ABP. This is becoming a really concern area for all of us. Because अगर ये हम फिनिश जितना प्लान किए थे अगर कर लेते तो 84,000 if you convert into the contribution of maybe 3,000, 4,000 rupees per ton, difference between semis and finished, it goes to around maybe 25 to 30 crores. Profit जो कि हम अभी दिखा रहे हैं कि H1 profit will be around 15 crores. ये minimum 50 crores से ऊपर profit होता है if you will have achieved the finished component. This is really a concern area for all of us, and major bottleneck was MSN. Talking about the departments, already we have discussed. Coco 1 already very consistent performance of late, one breakdown in Tippler, but thrust area for Coco 1 is reducing coke cost, because जैसे कि हम सब लोग जानते हैं sellable steel का 50% cost is cost of procurement of coal, and now in coming days, in coming month, the coal charges cost is increasing. The coal cost अभी जो है around $350 per ton on date. Previous month it was around $250, $100 बढ़ गया, maybe around 10,000 rupees, 8,000 to 10,000 rupees increase in cost, and this effect is going to come in the coming month, November and December. It is very important for all of us to reduce our cost in all the areas, each and every area from Coco 1 to SMS. These are the areas where cost improvement का scope है. So Coco 1 thrust again is reducing the coal blend cost, optimizing the coal blend, and maintaining the coke quality. RMHP center plant already we have discussed, they are doing good. Challenges for RMHP, thrust area for RMHP, maintaining the crushing index of flux, crushing index of coke, more than 90% of flux, more than 85% of coke. That will improve the quality of center, that will reduce the cost of center, and ultimately consistent supply of blend mix quality. That is again the responsibility of RMHP. कि जो भी blend mix supply कर रहा है, collectively RMHP and quality has to see कि they supply very good quality, consistent quality blend mix to the sinter plant. Then only sinter plant will be able to produce good quality sinter, which is going to blast furnace. Now blast furnace, already we have discussed, potential is 8,000, and if on a consistent basis blast furnace does 8,000, for Durgapur can never be a loss making plant. It will always be a profit making plant, and minimum 50 crore profit will be able to make. Now we are making profit of 7 crore, 10 crore. This looks that as if only we are doing book adjustment. This should not happen. Minimum 50 crores profit per month. Depends on the blast furnace hot metal production. Down below, thrust area for blast furnace. Already blast furnace has achieved coke rate of 430 in the month of March. That only they have to repeat, and CDI more than 100. These two are the thrust area for blast furnace. For SMS, health of caster again is a concern area. Whenever we are trying to push the production from blast furnace, the caster comes in way. This should not happen, and caster has to perform, health of caster has to be improved, then only all the hot metal will be consumed. Because converters is never a problem. Caster's lot of job already has been done. I am very much sure in coming days, SMS will be able to consume all the hot metal. And the next concern area for SMS is converting the cost of hot metal to crude steel. Our hot metal to crude steel cost, which is around 9,200 to 9,500. ISP, the cost is around 8,000, 8,200, 1,000 difference. This cost has to come down. Hot metal to crude steel conversion cost. Lot of scope in SMS, ferroalloys consumption, flux consumption, lime consumption, dolo consumption, then refractory, then power. All the areas SMS collective has to work. Everywhere we have to see how to reduce the cost. Otherwise it will become very difficult. In spite of doing 100%, more than 100% production, our profitability only 5 crore, 10 crore. Non-below MSM, merchant mill MSM we have already discussed. MSM has to do a lot of improvement. Go to the level of 60,000, then further improve to 70 or 80,000. All bottlenecks of MSM are known. They know what are their bottlenecks, they are taking actions, but that action has to be very fast and a consistent performance has to be there. Potential is there. Some days आप लोग करते हैं 2500 करते हैं 2300. ये नहीं है. On a regular basis you have to hit 2500. On a regular basis. Then only that will happen. Whatever support required will be provided. Wheel and Axle again is a plant where if they produce more than whatever is the target of railways, easily they can give profit of 10 crore a month. So all these areas, lot of scope of improvement is there. And for improvement, we all know, where, as I tell always, three things is very important. One is team, second is health of equipment, and third is technology, processes and technology. We should have a very dedicated, motivated team, well-informed team. The team communicated, team should know their roles and responsibilities. ये जो हम लोग वर्कशॉप करते हैं, the basic purpose is to flow of information from one place to other. Now you will go to your department, you have to flow the information to down below. Each and every employee, each and every member of the plant should know what is his responsibility. Even the person or contractual employee doing a cleaning job, he should know. हम सब लोग की कि हम अपने नीचे वाले लोग के, आपके जो टीम में लोग हैं, उनको बताएं कि आपकी क्या responsibility है, and if you are not going to do a job particular manner, how it is going to affect your section, your department, and ultimately organization. And if we work as a team, no one can see that the organization is failing. It's very important that we work in a team. And for motivation of team, again one thing is very important is safety. One accident inside plant, the whole team gets demotivated. Not only inside plant, outside plant also. Our family members, our stakeholders, everyone start talking about the safety. Take care of the safety. Doing job is important, but doing job in a safe manner is much more important. Safety की बात करते हैं तो three things are again very important. Safe behavior, safe working conditions, and following SOP SMP. 60 to 70% safety comes from behavior. Each and every employee has to behave in a safe manner. ABC of safety, attitude, behavior, and culture. Take care that attitudes of the people has to be checked. कोई भी unsafe काम करता है, immediately tell him, look, you are doing in unsafe way. His attitude is to be changed. Ultimately, his behavior is to be changed. Safe behavior has to come, and ultimate aim should be to bring in safe working culture. Working conditions safe देना है हम लोग को. People should not fear that working in a plant is going to create accident. And SOP SMP. All of us know what SOP SMPs are there. Working in height, working in gaseous area, working in confined places, working in hot areas. 100% following SOP SMP. No bypassing, nothing. Otherwise, accidents will keep on happening. Health of equipment, already we have discussed. Talking about health of equipment, because equipment keep on failing, breakdown होते रहेगा, कभी हम achieve नहीं कर सकते. If you want to achieve more than your ABP targets, your equipment has to perform. And if you want to maintain the health of equipment, the most important thing is inspections. सबसे अच्छे आदमी लोग को इंस्पेक्शन में लगाइए. Your best people should be there in inspection. You should know the health of equipment, कि equipment कैसा आपका behave कर रहा है. When you have to take your planned maintenance, where you have to take your scheduled maintenance, capital repair, everything. Not taking maintenances, equipments are going to fail, and in the plant where each and every department is dependent on each other, the whole plant will fail. This should not happen. Just because one department failing, the whole plant should not fail. So it is responsibility of each and every department, especially the maintenance people inside the department, mechanical, electrical, to see that in a planned manner, maintenances are taken. Then technology and technical things, now a lot of automations are coming, now a lot of gadgets are coming. Why of that? Take advantage of the newer technology so that we are connected to the our equipments. So team, our assets, our plant and our processes. These three things are very important. Connected people, connected assets and connected technology. Take care that these three things के साथ में we are connected, then only we can improve. Sustenance is again one of the most important things. Nowadays आप लोग सुनते होंगे CO2 emission. You have seen, you must have seen in the target कि हमारा CO2 level is around 2.4 and we have to bring down to below 2 by 2030. But how? Even by reducing our coke rates to the level of 410 or 400, we cannot go below 2.2 or maybe 2.25. We have to take a lot of other projects inside plant to reduce and go below 2. Otherwise, the even existence of steel plant will become difficult. The time will come when the taxes will be imposed on our product if we emit more than the desired quantity of CO2, and our products will become more costly. So we have to see how to go below 2 by 2030, take some project for carbon capture, carbon sequestering, that we are already doing. But the awareness among the people, how important this is going to happen. Each and every employee should know how important this is going to have to come in the coming days. Each and every people should know it, and whatever we can do, not only capturing the carbon in our areas, increasing the efficiencies, reducing the energy rates, reducing the other wastages, all areas improvement is required if we want to reduce our carbon emissions. Water discharge, our specific water consumption, which is around 3, it has to come down to 2 by maybe 2026, 27, for which we have taken all our ZLD projects. PM emission has to come down to 30, below 30. Our ESPs needs to be upgraded. These three things are important for our sustenance, because not only producing will not do in coming days. If we are not producing as per our environmental norms, it's very difficult to run the industry, run the factories. Government is going to stop that. Regarding projects, already Murugesan Sahib told a lot. In brief, I will tell that our target is, our present capacity is 2.4. We have taken this year target of 2.62 hot metal. Within next 3 to 4 years, by maybe 26, 27, we should go to 3.5 by adding one more blast furnace. Already the project is under consideration through brownfield additions and modifications in the casters, and one greenfield addition to 3 million ton more, and taking the plant capacity to maybe 6 or 6.5 million ton by 2030 or 32. This is the target for which lot of works we are doing. Works department, total project department, everyone is engaged in that. We are trying, because under the expansion of SAIL, you should all know, present the SAIL capacity is 21 million ton, and as per the national steel policy, what commitment we have given to government is that SAIL has to reach to 35 million ton by 2030-32, for which ISP, Durgapur, Bokaro and Rourkela is planned for next phase of modernization. Already roadmap has been made. So we have to see in next phase of modernization, our modernization comes in time and we get advantage out of it. Talking about townships, thank you all for not commenting anything on the township. It seems all of you are satisfied from the township, because जितने भी लार्ज ग्रुप इनसे इंटरेक्शन होते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ पॉइंट टाउनशिप का जरूर रहता है. आई होप कि अरूप एंड हिज टीम इज डूइंग वेल इन टाउनशिप. लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आप लोग देख रहे हैं आर बीइंग डन इन टाउनशिप. मॉडिफिकेशंस ऑफ क्वार्टर्स, रोड्स, रोटरीज, हॉस्पिटल्स. बट अगेन वन कंसर्न एरिया इज हॉस्पिटल. आप लोग को मालूम होना चाहिए कि इन 1 क्वार्टर आवर रेफरल बिल इज अराउंड 8 करोड़. यही है ना, 1 quarter means it comes to around maybe 30 crores per year. This was the referral bill last year. Again, this is a major concern. Hamara profit in 1 quarter is maybe 5 to 7 crore, and our referral bill is around 8 crores per quarter. So we have to have confidence in our doctors. And major referral bill, I am not telling it was a fault. Our orthopedic surgeon was not there. major referral bill was coming from orthopedics. Now one orthopedic surgeon has joined and he has started doing operations and he is doing very good, very big operations. We should have confidence in our doctors. We should now try our doctors to push our doctors for referrals, and it is the responsibility of hospital also to see that whatever resources required for the hospital, equipments, modernization, all we are doing, we are spending a lot in the hospital. But ultimately this referral bill has to come down. This referral bill is even more than Bhilai. Bhilai mein there are around 18 to 20,000 employees. We are having around maybe 7,000 employees. So here referral bill is more than Bhilai. This should not happen. This is a concern area. Hospital, whatever required support, we will give it to hospital. Everything will be done for the hospital, but we have to have faith in hospital. And as a team, we have to work. If we are working as a team, we are bound to succeed, and the plant will become profitable in the next S2 by good margin. This H1 maybe, how much will be ending? Maybe 15 crores or maybe 20 crores, something like that. But this is not sufficient enough for such a big plant. At least we should have maybe 100 or 150 crores of profit in one half yearly. Last year we made a profit of 600, before that it was 1000. Of course the conditions of market are there, NSR and all that, but in our control is volume, reducing cost, these are there, and adding volume. What I was telling is reducing the finished component by around 84,000. This impacted our profitability huge. This is in our hand, that we have to increase our finished component, that is increasing the MSM production. We have to work in team, and we have to see that we succeed as a team. No one can work alone here. All the departments, all supporting department, MM, projects, finance, personnel, medical, everyone is there to support and help. We all are there as a team, and I am very much sure as a team we will succeed. Once again, I would wish you a good health. Take care of your health. Keeping the health of equipment is important, but keeping your own health is more important. Because if you are healthy, then only you will be able to perform. Take care what you eat, take care what you do. Involve yourself in your physical activities. If you are healthy, then only plant will be healthy and will be able to generate incomes inside the plant. Wish you all a very happy Durga Puja. Wish you all a very happy Navami. Thank you very much.
दौड़ते हैं देश की रगों में हम